to try to unbig this bag. Baby, I did not want to cook no real lunch or nothing like this. So I said, you know what, breakfast. Because, honey, one thing about it, you can eat breakfast any time of the day. And 9 times out of 10, you're going to have everything sitting around the house to go ahead and make it. Now, I ain't got to tell you how to do what you got to do, but you go ahead and make it happen. I like to use gluten-free pancake mix from Aldi. You do what you got to do. And, honey, let me tell you something. When I decided to go ahead and make this, I was so hungry, I didn't know what to do. Now, you know I'm single, and I don't have no problems with it. But, baby, one thing I also don't have a problem with is eating by my goddamn self. But, yeah, honey, I went ahead to get up in the kitchen and whip that thing up on this here Tuesday. I hope all of you are having a wonderful day. You know what I'm saying? Living stress-free. All your needs are met, and being thankful for whatever it is you have. Because, honey, I am so thankful that I had what I needed to feed me, because the way my stomach was growling and punching and carrying on, it made no sense. So again, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. This is going to be a great, abundant week for us all. We just going to take it one day at a time. And for real, baby, I don't mind eating alone. Y'all be blessed.